out. Hey everyone, are you tired of searching for that one perfect lipstick set that has it all? Well, the search is officially over. I just got my hands on the QiBest 7-piece matte liquid lipstick set, and I am absolutely obsessed. First off, let's talk about these colors. You get 7 stunning, highly pigmented matte shades that are perfect for any look, from everyday wear to a dramatic Halloween vibe. They glide on so smoothly and have this incredible velvet finish that doesn't feel dry at all. And the best part, they are seriously long-lasting and waterproof. I'm talking coffee-proof, lunch-proof, all-day-gorgeous-proof. Plus, this kit comes with a bonus lip plumper. It gives you that extra little pout without any sting. This is honestly the ultimate lip kit, whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift. I've linked it down below so you can check it out for yourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing finds. Thanks for watching.